Everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of disabled account. On the application of Snapchat, we click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will scrolling down until you find this application of Snapchat. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.